Welcome to SEMrush keyword research tutorial. You can see I have just come to SEMrush.com and I'll be showing you the best keyword research using SEMrush. If your website of any sort, for example, if your website of affiliate marketing, if your website of a general blog, if your website of e-commerce or service-based website, this is going to be the best keyword research tutorial using SEMrush for you. Okay, so the very first step is create a account on SEMrush if you haven't one. Okay, you'll find SEMrush link in description of this video. Grab your link and create account. Get 7 days free trial if you don't have budget. If you have budget, I recommend you to go for a paid plan, because in that case you will have all these options right here and all these filters will be open for you to well assess the keyword for your needs and for your business. Okay, so the very first step is to enter keywords separated by commas. Don't want to do keyword research for many, but for if you have any website of affiliate, then the keyword research is different. If your website of online store or drop shipping, the keyword research method is different. But in this video I am going to cover both of those. Okay, the very first is generic keyword research. Okay, for example, the generic keyword is laptop is generic keyword, and just tap at this search button after going to keyword overview button. Okay, this is a keyword overview button under keyword research section. You can see in you can select your country. Let me select United States, not United Kingdom. Okay, I'm trying to rank for United States, not in United Kingdom. And you will see intent is commercial, and the CPC is 2.41, and competitive density, this is for advertising. Okay, all this section is all for advertising. So if you come to keyword variations, you will find 28.2 million total volume with 2.8 million keyword variations. Just type 2.8 million keywords and we will have 2.8 million keywords. But these 2.8 keyword millions all are not for our business, so we just have to add some filters and some restrictions to get our desired keywords with our niche based intent. For example, I'll be showing you for both. Okay, if you have affiliate website or other website. Gaming laptop, this is a gaming laptop, and before adding some filters, I want to show you that intent is right here. Commercial, transactional, all these intents are here, and search volume, KD and CPC. Search features and updated, this is not over. The very first step is just step at KD and select this to 20. You can change your custom range according to your according to the authority of your website. If your website is brand new, you can't just rank for high KD keywords, so in that case you might select 0 to 5 in this KD option. Okay, so that depends. So after dropping down this KD to 0 to 20, you can see we just got 7.84k search volume and average KD of 14, which is very good. Free laptop in EBT, backpack laptop lobbies, and vertical laptop stand, bagel laptop case, and all these were left. Okay, so for example, laptop sleeve 14 inch, all these are laptop relevant things. Okay, so these are generic keywords. But you can see leather laptop case 19, laptop sling bag 1000 volume and 8. It means your chances to start ranking new pages. If you publish new page, immediately you will start ranking for this keyword because KD is very low. All these are generic keywords to target. But if you have a affiliate site, what you have to do is just go to keyword overview, and you just have to type best, because you need to create content around best, comparison and information. For example, not just laptop, best laptop for affiliate. For e-com stores, I'll be showing you in a couple of seconds. Best laptop, and just type at search. If you search best laptop, the keyword will be, you can see 18, not 18, it's 2.3 million. Okay, this step it view over 168k keywords, and now we will add two filters. If you are not getting traffic from SEO and Google, then after adding this technique to your content strategy, I am 100% guaranteed that you will be ranking higher on Google after applying this method, if you do all the other things correctly. Best buy laptops, no, just step at KD and drop this KD to 30. It depends on, set key, it depends on your authority of your website. 0 to 10, and you just go to advanced filters, and the results and search shouldn't be more than 100. Okay, let's wait for some seconds to just load these keywords after adding this. Yeah, now I just type at 8 advanced filters, and results in search shouldn't be more than 100. It means should not be more than 100 websites targeted this particular keyword. It means I just have to compete with 100 websites, and out of 100 websites 50 websites are already out of the game. I just have to, you can see best laptop for lawyers. This is the keyword which I can easily say, if you create a website today, in next month you will be on the first page. All these keywords: best laptops computer with DVD drive, best laptops for cybersecurity students 2023, 2028, 2024 right here, best laptops for seniors, best laptops with CD DVD drive, and a best laptop for Hackintosh. Okay, so all these keywords, this is only, just export this and create content around all these keywords, and you are good to go to get ranked higher. But if you are not a affiliate website, just remove the best and just tap laptop and all these keywords. After, just keep these two. If you are new, if your website has authority of more than 50, you can remove this advanced filters to expand your reach, and you will have more keywords. But initially, if your website's authority is lower, then all these keywords, or your wallpaper, you can hide this wallpaper, exclude filter, you can add this to exclude filter, add this group to, and backpack, charge, inch. If you don't want some relevant or variations categories, then you can tap at this I button to add them to exclude keywords or exclude group keywords, and you will get some juicy and low hanging fruits to rank for. So this is the best ever method. I use this method to rank new websites under 1 month. So this is the method you should use to get ranked on Google. So thanks for watching this video.